In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent shape in Canva. We'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure you get the desired result. So let's dive right in. First, start by going to the Canva website. If you haven't used Canva before, you're in for a treat. It's a great tool for creating designs of all kinds. Once you've reached the home page, go ahead and click on the Login button to access your account. If you're already logged in, you can skip ahead to the next steps. After clicking Login, you'll need to continue by selecting your preferred method of login. This could be through Google, Facebook, or using an email address and password. Once you've chosen a method, click on Continue and select your account to proceed. That's a handy trick for keeping things quick and seamless. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the home page. From here, open an existing project, or if you're starting fresh, create a new design. Navigating through your projects and designs in Canva is straightforward due to its user-friendly layout. Next, on the left-hand side menu, you'll find the Elements tab. Click on it to access a wide range of graphic elements. Browse through and select the shape you want to work with. It could be a square, circle, or any other shape that fits your project's needs. With the shape selected, you'll want to click on the Stroke Style option. This feature allows us to add a border to our shape, giving it a defined edge. The next step involves selecting the stroke style you prefer, as Canva offers different styles to choose from. Once the stroke style is set, it's time to adjust the weight. The weight determines the thickness of your shape's border. You can make it as thin or as thick as your design requires. Being able to customize this aspect allows you to achieve the perfect look for your project. Subsequently, you'll want to direct your attention to the color settings of your shape. Here, click on the color option and make sure to select No Color for the fill. This step is crucial as it removes any fill color, rendering the inside of your shape entirely transparent while maintaining the border we added earlier. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your transparent shape is now ready to be integrated into your design. Whether you're creating a logo, a poster, or any other visual content, this technique enhances your creative possibilities. Wasn't that easy? Feel free to experiment with different stroke styles and weights to fully utilize this feature in Canva. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make your design process more creative and fun. If you enjoyed it, stay tuned for more tutorials to level up your Canva skills.